Hey guys, Chef Hawks here again. And so I've had a few of my students who have asked me about making tomato ketchup. And most of the time when someone asks me that, I kind of look at them funny and say, well, there's a guy called Mr. Heinz who makes a really good one, and there are lots of other ones out there as well that have their own flavor profiles. There's nothing wrong with any of them. They're very consistent year round, so why not just do that? Well, you could always end up with the situation that I have right now. So my tomato plants out in my back garden are just producing tomatoes like it's Christmas. It's crazy how many tomatoes I've got. I can't give them all away. I certainly can't eat all of them. There's so many of them in there, but they're all going to go bad pretty quickly. Especially the ones that are really ripe right now. They only have a few days shelf life when they start deteriorating. So this is a method of preservation. So we're going to make some ketchup. We're going to make a good tasty ketchup. We've got lots of different flavoring and seasoning ingredients like some onion, garlic, a little cinnamon, a little bit of some pepper seasoning in there, between some tabasco and a little cayenne, salt and pepper of course, and some vinegar. You want that acidity, and then also a little mustard in there as well. So let's get this going.